यूनेस्को रिलीज स्पोर्ट एंड जेंडर इक्वालिटी गेम ब्लड। मुझे ना दंगल मूवी का एक फेमस लाइन मुझे बिल्कुल आप लगती है, विद आमिर खान सेड, सारी उम्र में सोचता रहा छोरा होवे तो देश के लिए गोल्ड लाता, लेकिन मैं भूल गया गोल्ड तो गोल्ड होवे, छोरा लावे या छोरी। यूनेस्को हैज रिलीज्ड जस्ट बिफोर द ओलंपिक गेम्स। ये हाईलाइट करता है परसिस्टेंट जेंडर गैप इन स्पोर्ट्स एंड प्रोवाइड्स गाइडेंस फॉर जेंडर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्पोर्ट पॉलिसीज एंड प्रोग्राम्स। हम सबको पता है पेरिस 2024 ओलंपिक्स पैरा ओलंपिक्स जो अभी स्टार्ट हो चुका है, and history has been made as an equal number of men and women compete, marking the largest gender equal sporting event. This milestone marks a significant step forward in the pursuit of the gender equality in sports, a cause that has been championed by the various organizations and individuals. Despite these advances, significant gender disparities persist, and women and girls continue to face barriers in sports. Their representation in key roles such as governance, coaching, technical officials, and the team leadership remains disproportionately low. Additionally, inadequate prevention and response mechanism for specific risk further compound these challenges. On 24 July 2024, the Change the Game conference organized by UNESCO hosted a pivotal session on gender equality in and through sport. This session gathered policymakers and sport practitioners to explore strategies for designing, implementing, measuring inclusive sport पॉलिसीज एंड प्रोग्राम्स। जैसे आप लोग जानते हो, जेंडर बजटिंग की बात पर हर कंट्री, हर नेशन इंपॉर्टेंस दे रही है आज के टाइम पे। सो इक्वालिटी इन द फील्ड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम इज एसेंशियल। कुछ की ऑब्जर्वेशंस है जैसे कि सेक्सुअल अब्यूज, 21% ऑफ वुमेन एथलीट्स एंड 11% ऑफ द मेन reported experiencing at least one form of sexual abuses as a child in sport. As per the report, 49% of the girls drop out of sports during adolescence. That is 6 times higher compared to boys. Factors for higher attrition including lack of women role models, concerns around safety, lack of confidence, and negative body image. There is inequality in pay gap also. So pay gap in professional sport is evident from absence of women in the list of 50 highest paid athletes in the world. Sports women face a lack of equal funding compared to men's athletes, making it difficult for them to compete and run consistent programs. In 2023, only 30% of the world's largest sports federation were chaired by women. There are other concerns also like safety and transportation issues. Sports को चाहिए एक place to participate. और बहुत सी लड़कियों के लिए, महिलाओं के लिए, especially in dense urban environments, that means traveling to facilities through unsafe neighborhoods, lacking any means to get a good facility miles away. And if there isn't a safe option like carpooling with other families, the only option for a girl and a family may be to stay at home. For example, Manipur is a sporting powerhouse, but 48% of female athletes travel for over 10 kilometers to reach the practice facility. When women are made to face the barrel of boy sexism on a daily basis, be it at work or even at home, they are monitored and judged by the way they dress, the way they speak, the way they walk. जैसे हम सबको पता है कि कुछ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन ने एलिगेशन लगाया था सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट अगेंस्ट रेसलिंग फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया प्रेसिडेंट ब्रिज भूषण शरण सिंह पे. So in several of these reported cases, the accused were let off leniently with punishment that consisted of transfer to a meager cut in pay or pension. Some of these cases have not seen the end of the tunnel, and with many dragging on for years with no resolutions in sight. Abuse in sports was a poll issue in Germany in 2021. The Federal Parliament Sports Committee hosted a public hearing on emotional, physical, and sexual violence in sports in May 2021. So now it is about time India and the world to discuss the issue and not to wait for athletes to stage protests to be heard. Living in the 21st century, where we have devised the technology to monitor robots or to do our biddings, there's still one aspect where we fall grossly short when it comes to progress, that is gender equality. We can't completely deny India has taken some initiatives to promote women in sports, like Khelo India scheme. इसका जो component है that is specifically dedicated towards promotion of women among sports. इसका best example है मधु भाकर, जो अभी रिसेंटली इंडिया के लिए 2 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल लेकर आई हैं, वो उसी इनिशिएटिव से आगे बढ़ी हैं. अस्मिता, अचीविंग स्पोर्ट्स माइलस्टोन by inspiring women through action portal. This is giving identity to women athletes. Then next is Khelo India 10 कदम. ये एक कॉम्पिटिशन था जो कंडक्ट हुआ था इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे 2023 में, और ऐसे बहुत सारे इवेंट्स और भी ऑर्गेनाइज की जाती हैं नेशनल लेवल पे, स्टेट लेवल पे, टू प्रमोट वुमेन इन स्पोर्ट्स. देयर आर सम सजेशंस आल्सो, दैट इज टू यूज स्पोर्ट्स मीडिया टू चेंज एटीट्यूड एंड एड्रेस जेंडर इनइक्वालिटीज. क्योंकि मीडिया इज अ फोर्थ पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी एंड इट कैन प्ले अ pivotal रोल इन दिस. प्रमोट जेंडर इक्वालिटी इन स्पोर्ट्स, लीडरशिप एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग, डेवलप gender responsive infrastructure and budgeting, and end all forms of gender based violence in sports. Why is it important for more women to participate in sports? That is one, for the physical and the mental health, because sports can have a positive impact on physical and mental health for both men and women. According to reports and data, girls active in sports during adolescence and young adulthood are 20% less likely to get breast cancer later in life. Gender parity. By providing equal opportunities and resources for women in sports, हम उनको हेल्प कर सकते हैं to break down all the barrier in sports. उस सारे stereotype को तोड़ सकते हैं जो limit करता है women के potential को and participation in other areas of life. Sports in its most basic form encourages balanced participation and has the capacity to promote gender equality. हमारा जो SDG 5 है, that is Sustainable Development Goal 5, it says achieve gender equality and empower all achieve women and girls. Next is economic empowerment. The women who participate in sports often have more opportunities for education and employment, which can lead to a greater economic empowerment, and they can also rectify societal connotations. Women's participation in sports can also help to change societal attitude towards women and their capabilities. By seeing women excel in sports, it can inspire more women to pursue their own goals and aspirations and challenge stereotypes about what women are capable of achieving. Women's participation in sports can help to provide better representation for women in leadership roles, including coaching and administration. It can also serve as an inspiration for young girls to pursue sports as a career. It can help in community building also, because sports can bring people together, promote greater understanding and respect between different groups within the society. By promoting greater participation in sports among women, we can help to build stronger and more inclusive communities. There is still a long way to go in terms of achieving gender parity in sports participation and representation in India. Sports in India is in the process of development. To accelerate this rate of development, a holistic approach should be adopted. Efforts are required in developing infrastructure, identifying sports talents, organizing regular sports events, and generating awareness at the grassroots level.